Cast.
Well, it's warm and humid today. We've been tracking just a couple of spotty showers across the area and still finding a little bit of that activity out there right now in Narragansett. As you view conditions along the coastline, you can see the surf coming in here. In fact, already surf height about 3 to 5 feet, and there's a high risk for rip currents throughout the day today. So quite a few surfers drawn into the water, but you do need to be extra cautious these next few days, even probably right through the weekend, as there will likely be an enhanced risk of those dangerous rip currents at our beaches. Threat tracker for today is low, but tonight into Wednesday, again, upping that to the medium category as we track our first round of moderate to at times very heavy rainfall. The atmosphere is going to be loaded with moisture, and as we move through the next 24 to 48 hours, we're going to tap into that moisture and allow for some much needed rain. We do need it, but it may come down heavy enough to lead to those localized street and poor drainage flood concerns. Just a few spotty scattered showers, a mix of sun and clouds where you don't see the showers this noontime. 79 degrees in Providence, 80 Taunton, 80 in Boston. Average high this time of year only in the upper 60s, so we're full 10 degrees warmer than average and likely to climb another degree or two. Cold fronts off to our west. You can see where the more widespread rain is still along and ahead of that front, and it's just some spotty showers out ahead of it. So for us, the timing of that brings it in very late tonight and towards dawn tomorrow morning into the Rhode Island area. Of course, we're drawing in moisture not only from the western Atlantic, from the southeastern United States as well, and the Gulf of Mexico. All of that going to enhance the rainfall for us. That's round one. Later in the weekend, could be looking at possibly some impacts from what is Tropical Storm Joaquin. 46-mile-an-hour winds right now sustained. It's strengthened a little bit through the morning, moving slowly towards the west at 4 miles an hour. In fact, the National Hurricane Center really adjusting the track here of Joaquin from what they had at the 5 a.m. update, with it expected to, right through the end of the week, pretty much move at a slow westward track, and then from there potentially take a sharp turn towards the north and even northeast by the end of the weekend. So this is 8 a.m. on Sunday. Could be a strong tropical storm. This is just below hurricane strength with nearly 70-mile-an-hour sustained wind. So still remains to be seen the exact track. There's a lot of uncertainty with the track and intensity of that forecast right now. So you do need to stay tuned to updates throughout this week. This afternoon, right around 80, down to 68 overnight tonight. The steadier rain arrives late in the night. And then tomorrow's periods of rain, isolated thunder, winds from the southeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Wanted to start with tonight's Futurecast at 11 o'clock so you can see those scattered showers, and then watch what happens towards the morning commute. That steadier rain starts to fill in. Anywhere you see yellows and oranges, heavy downpours, possibly some embedded thunderstorms. So really the first half of the day Wednesday looks to be our most likely time of the widespread really heavy rainfall, but still a lot of showers left over into Wednesday evening. May see a little bit of a lull Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and then another round of rainfall later Thursday into Friday. Could see some heavier downpours, and notice those temperatures really drop off to 60 for the high Thursday, upper 50s for Friday. And then the weekend forecast is really uncertain at this point. It again is going to be determined by the timing, the track, the intensity of Joaquin, but there's at least the risk for some showers Saturday, Sunday, and possibly even into Monday. So you are going to want to stay